So I've already showed you how to share your screen, and you can share Word documents that way. Another way that you can do it is if you go to your team here and go to Files, you can go to Upload, and I'll just choose one at random. Let's see. It'll load. So there we go. If I click on this button, I can do Open and Open in Word Online. And here's the check sheet. And then I can go back to Teams, double click here, and go to, let's stop presenting that. Go to Share and find, here's the web page that I just opened. So I can share. So I'm currently sharing this particular web page. So you can go in and have your files ready beforehand. You click on Team, go into your team, and go to Files and upload your files that way. You can also open them up in Word on your computer and then share your screen. You can also open it in Teams. Here's what it looks like when you go to Edit in Teams. It will actually pull it up within the Teams app, similar to the PowerPoint presentation that we just did. So you can go back to Teams here. And another thing that you can do is you can add polls. So let's go back to our team here. And if you want to add a poll into the text chat, what you would do first is you have to go to down here and click on this button, and it will give you apps. Click on More Apps and find the Microsoft Forms app in your list. I've already done it, and it looks like, let's see, looks like this right here, this little icon here. So when you go into your, once you enable it and add it to your team, you can go into your team, go into the text chat, and click here and click on Forms. And enter your question. And next. And send. And so it posts the poll here, and so when your students come in, it's anonymous. They can answer the question here, and it will automatically update. Now, another thing that you can do is if you go to back to your team, you can create what are called channels, but these are essentially breakout rooms for your students. So if you go here, click on Add Channel. I've already created 2 channels for different groups, and I'll just call this Group 3. And click Add. And then what I can do is I can go here, Group 1, And I can go down here within group 1 and I can schedule a meeting. And here I'll add the students that I want to be in that meeting. So you can create many rooms for student groups. Maybe they're work groups, maybe they're spin out groups for a class meeting. So those are a few things that you can do as well.